Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a video to your Shopify homepage, so let's get right into it. Now, what you can do first, this is completely optional by the way, but you can go into content and then upload a file as a video, or upload a video into the file section, and then you'll have that file on hand to later upload onto your homepage. You can do this again, however, once you're adding the video section onto your homepage, you can also upload it then, so it's really not any it's not needed. However, it is useful if you want to just have it on hand without needing to upload it later. Now, once you have the file uploaded, or if you skip over this step, you can go into online store and that'll take you to themes. Over here, you want to click customize next to the theme you're using. I'm using the default Dawn theme, and this is what the homepage looks like on it. As you can see at the top, we are currently located on the homepage, and what you're going to do is under template, you're going to select add a section, and then scroll down until you get to the video part. Just click on it, and it's going to add the video section wherever you want. You can drag it around, move it wherever you want. I'll just move it to the top of the page. You can then customize the heading text. I would recommend you set this to the video title, and you can also select the size for the heading. You can select to play it on a loop if you want to. However, that is completely up to you. Now, as I mentioned, you can select a video to upload here by clicking select video and uploading a file. You can also set up a dynamic source, or you can embed a video through a URL if it's, for example, from YouTube, as is the case with this sort of placeholder video you're given by Shopify. You can also modify the cover image or the thumbnail, and also add some alt text if you want, and you can style the section as well if you want. I do recommend to make the section full width just so the video looks better, and you can also set up color schemes, section padding, and you can add custom CSS code if you want. But once you upload the video, you don't need to do anything else. You just need to click save, and once you do that, your video will be uploaded to your homepage. Now, if we go over into pages, there should be the homepage over here, or rather it is not, so let's go back into themes just to show you guys what it looks like. There should be a preview button somewhere here, and I can't seem to find it, but yeah, pretty much if you previewed this page, it would show that video just as it should be. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.